Hi guys! So, what's up? For today, pag-uusapan natin yung isang tanong na sobrang daming tao ang nagtatanong pero konti lang talaga yung nakakasagot. So, ano ba talaga ang move para yumaman? Working hard ba or working smart? So, kasi 'di ba, lagi nating naririnig, sipag at tiyaga, tapos don't work too hard, work smart. So, alin ba talaga? Ano ba yung totoo? Ano ba yung practical? Ano ba yung magdadala sa'yo sa financial freedom? Today, hihimay-himayin natin to guys. So, let's start! So guys, ano ba ang working hard? So, unahin natin ang working hard. Aminin natin, dito tayo pinalaki. Sabi sa atin, mag-aral kang mabuti, magtrabaho ka ng mabuti, mag-overtime ka, mag-double job ka kung kailangan. At oo, may power talaga ang hard work. Hard work, guys, builds discipline, consistency, mental toughness, and character. Kung walang sipag, guys, wala talagang mangyayari. Pero ito yung masakit na katotohanan. Maraming tao ang sobrang sipag pero hindi yumayaman. Maraming tao guys ang sobrang sipag pero hindi pa rin yumayaman. May kilala ka bang 10 to 12 hours nagwo-work tapos walang absent, pagod na pagod araw-araw, pero paycheck to paycheck pa rin. Bakit? Kasi hard work without direction is just effort. Tapos hard work without leverage is just a survival. Kung ang income mo nakabase lang sa oras mo, may limit talaga. Ngayon naman, working smart. Ito yung strategy. Ito yung leverage. Ito yung system. Working smart means hindi mo binibenta lang ang oras mo. Gumagawa ka ng system na kumikita kahit tulog ka. Iniisip mo paano palakihin, hindi lang paano pagurin ang sarili mo. Example nito guys, kung empleyado ka, pwede kang mag-upskill. Kung may negosyo ka, pwede kang mag-automate. Kung may product ka, pwede kang mag-build ng brand instead na one-time benta ka lang. Pero ito rin ang problema. Maraming tao ang smart thinker pero hindi sila doer. Ang dami nilang plano guys, ang dami din nilang notes, at ang daming business ideas. Pero wala silang execution. Working smart without action equals daydreaming lang. So guys, the real answer is ito. Ano talaga ang sagot? Hindi working hard lang. Hindi rin working smart lang. It's working hard and working smart in the right direction. So, yung meron tayong phase 1, it's work hard to build skill. Phase 2, work smart to build system. And phase 3, work consistent to build wealth. Yung mga totoong mayayaman, hindi sila tamad. Hindi rin sila puro hustle lang. They work hard in the beginning. Then they build leverage. Leverage means people working with you, systems working with you, and money working with you. Kapag pera mo na ang nagtatrabaho para sa'yo, ibang level na yun guys. So guys, let's go to the practical application. Ngayon, practical tayo. Kung empleyado ka, don't just work hard sa position mo. Work hard to become valuable. Then, work smart to increase income streams. Kung meron kang business, hard work equals yung paggawa mo ng product, pag-deliver, pag-market. Smart work equals yung mga branding, pricing strategy, target market, repeat customers. So, halimbawa, meron kang soap business, pwede kang magbenta ng tig 80 pesos sa lahat. Or, pwede kang mag-build ng luxury brand, premium positioning, higher margins. So, same product siya, different strategy, different level of income, yun ang smart work. Why most people stay broke? Alam mo bakit maraming taong hindi yumayaman? It's because they only work for income, not assets. They increase lifestyle, not investments. They fear risk more than they fear regret, and they don't think long term. So ang wealth guys, hindi instant. It's boring, it's consistent, it's strategic. Hindi siya viral, hindi siya overnight. Just like I will give you an example guys, like yung paggagawa ng YouTube, pag-create ng YouTube. Actually guys, hindi siya ganong kadali kasi as in mag-i-start ka from the scratch, just like doing a business. Unlike guys na merong mag-i-endorse sa'yo na mga influential people or yung mga artista, yon automatic, syempre makikilala ka na rin. Ang gagawin, tataas, aakyat ang subscribers mo. Pero pag wala kang ganun, you need to work hard para makilala ka ng mga tao. So, same as also with the business. Merong mga taong mayayaman na they are born with a silver spoon. Ibig sabihin, pinanganak na talaga silang mayaman. So, kumbaga, yung yaman nila, minamana na lang nila sa family nila. So, hindi sila nag-build. Wala silang any effort to build their wealth. Kumbaga, tinuloy lang nila kung ano yung mga naipundar na nung kanilang mga parents, yun. Just like mararaming mga influential or mga mayayamang tao sa Pilipinas. So, gawin na lang natin sila as an example para yumaman din. The final message in this topic guys is, kung tatanungin mo ako, ano ang tamang move para yumaman? Siyempre guys, work hard enough to build your own skills. Tapos, work smart enough to build systems. Stay consistent enough to build assets. And then guys, ang pinaka-importante, don't just chase money. Build value. Kasi kapag valuable ka, money will chase you. So guys, if this video helped you, comment naman below. Team hard work ka ba? O team smart work? Or team both? See you on my next vlog guys. Bye-bye. I hope you like our topic for today. Bye!